been in this field now for over 15 years, and the main reason why I came into this area of research was because this is a disease for which we have not seen any change in survival over the last 40 years. And I think that's a travesty. It is certainly something that we as a community need to address urgently. I have also come to the conclusion that while there's a lot of effort that's going on at the far end of the disease spectrum, which is patients who unfortunately already have pancreatic cancer, including metastatic pancreatic cancer, which the reality is 85% of our patients have that unresectable advanced stage of disease. Where I believe we can have the most bang for our buck going forward would be in the area of early detection. I truly believe that if we can move the clock back for our patients in the sense that we diagnose them at an earlier stage than what they're presenting today, we can have more impact on their survival than any therapy or any drug has made in the last 40 years. And I think we can start that by going after certain defined high-risk groups. I believe that patients who are new onset diabetics represent one of those high-risk groups, and I think if we can identify the patients who have pancreatic cancer in that group, already we'll be having a large impact. In fact, I did some calculations on this, and as we discussed, I think we potentially could be diagnosing as much as half pancreatic cancer cases that arise every year in the United States if we use the new onset diabetes as sort of a sieve to get to pancreatic cancer earlier in the process. So obviously, why am I so passionate about pancreatic cancer? This is a disease for which we clearly have not had an impact, where we are losing too many of our citizens every year. And I think we really need to get our game together in terms of having an impact. And that's one of the reasons why I moved to MD Anderson. This is really a place where I believe that we can translate many of the ideas from the lab to the clinic. The patient populations we see here are incredible. They are willing and they are enthusiastic about participating in studies that would help advance the field. And we have some amazing docs here who are willing to work with us in finding out new therapies as well as new blood tests for pancreatic